Hi. Do you know what is the smallest sentence in English? I am. Yes, there is a smallest sentence. I subject, am verb. Can you change it into all 12 tense forms? Just a very simple sentence. I am. Try to find out before I telling them. I am a boy, for example. That is present simple or simple present. I am being a boy, present continuous. I have been a boy, present perfect. I have been being a boy, present perfect continuous tense. I was a boy, past simple. I was being a boy, past continuous. I had been a boy, past perfect. I had been being a boy, past perfect continuous tense. I shall be a boy, future simple. I shall be being a boy, future continuous. I shall have been a boy, future perfect. I shall have been being a boy, future perfect continuous tense. And that's it. Thank you.